Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous videos, we talked about default methods and static methods possible in interface. Now, if both are serving same purpose, so what could be the difference? Because this could be asked in any interview question. Like, okay, we can have default method and static methods. Now we know the purpose as well. But if both are present, so what kind of functionality or what kind of difference we are achieving here? So we can start with like in Java interfaces, the default static methods were introduced in Java 8 to enhance the functionality of interfaces. That's correct. But the difference is when it comes to default methods, they provide a default implementation for a method in the interface, which can be overridden in the implementing class if required. See, if required, you can always change the behavior of default methods in child class, but static methods they belong to class only. That means if you try to override, that's not going to be possible. It's the same concept which happens in inheritance. Static methods belong to the class and they are not instance methods, so that means they're kind of restricted towards the only that class where they are present. So that's one difference, that static methods are only for that class where they are declared and used. Next thing is default methods are instance methods. Yeah, they are instance method. That means they can be only invoked when you have an instance of that child class. You cannot create instance of interface, so you have to go for the child classes, and that class instance can be used to call the default methods. But when it comes to static methods, so there things happens with the name, with the class name or interface name. So here in static methods, we can call that static methods by using interface name. No need to call or create any instance. We saw this in previous example, right? Like here in Java 8 package, we created one package default methods or static method. So what I did, I simply created a method and called it without creating any child. Just interface name, that's this method name, my method, called like here, and it will be invoked. But when it comes to default methods, so you have to create an interface first, like this, playable, then creates its child class, implements playable, and then you have to create its kind of tester if you want, and call its instance. So we created playtester. So chess instance, then call its method. That's how it works. So that's two major difference between static methods and default method. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and let's meet in next video. Bye bye.